back at the garden. I told you we used shredded paper. This is what this is. This is junk mail. Lots and lots of junk mail. And I'm going to till it under and show you that there's no real big impact to the garden itself. You won't even notice it's here. I've actually used stuff even smaller than this, large, huge bags. That just, it was amazing to watch, one pass with the tiller and it's all gone. So here it goes, the before. So that was a really, really quick run. I just literally skimmed the surface of the garden, and this is the after now. I'll do the timestamp of the before and the after, but this is the after, where I just tilled the paper in, and you can still see some around the edges, sure. You can still see some scattered down the middle, sure. I mean, I literally just skimmed the surface enough to turn it over and kind of put the leaves and the paper under so it wouldn't blow away. Like I said, it was fairly quick. So the before and after timestamp. Remember to do the timestamp. That's important. So it's been 12 days. We've had some rain, and I haven't gotten anything in the dirt yet. Yeah, we're really, really late. You can see some grass coming up over there. But if you'll also notice, there's a little bit of paper visible. That's on the edge. That didn't get tilled under. But even under these cages, it's almost just kind of faded into the background and started to decompose. And everything that's under the dirt is already being chewed on by worms. So, just something to consider. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.